Yo, baby. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Hello, guys. What you doing? Well, I'm filming the camera today, guys. And this is Princess on Michelle Reyes channel. Woo! Michelle Reyes channel. Yeah, yo. You heard her right. She said Michelle Reyes channel. He is so cool. We're gonna do slime. Ha 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 ha. Slime with clay. Ha ha ha. Yo, this is the slime. It's cold. It has some kind of clay, and it's got this kind of solution. So we're gonna remove it in this container. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom! Yeah, this is the clay slime. Ooh, yeah. It's very, very, very pokeable, stretchy, and it's very thick. And baby has done this. Woo, baby, come back now. Woo. Oh no, baby. Oh, she's sipping. She's sipping. You are talking, right, baby? You are talking. Sino? Ikaw. Bah. 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 Baby na. And I'm gonna give you a closer look. Yo, look at this cool slime. See? It's very stretchy. Try it. See? Very stretchy.
Oh, I just love my new hobby, oiling things. Like this hammer. Ooh, shiny. And this hairbrush. Ooh, brushy.
It's getting kind of stiff. I'm gonna have a solution for that. Put lotion, water. That's my solution. Or more slime. So, I'm doing a giveaway. And the ingredients are just slime and clay. And it cost me $1. 53 pesos. $1. And I'm doing a giveaway on clay. Woo! Clay. Clay. I have a lot of them. Tell me what color do you want. I don't have other colors, so just pick what color do you want. Just suggest it. I'm only gonna give 6. 2 per 1 person. Only 3 persons can win this. This is the giveaway of a lifetime. Only like, subscribe, and press that little bell symbol. Video on, baby. Video on, baby. Hello. What you doing, guys? Baby, anong ginagawa mo? Hindi niya tawa-tawa. Hindi niya tawa-tawa siya. Hindi ka natatawa. Ang ganda-ganda mo eh. Na. Ay, 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 ay. May ang galing niya. Kinuha niya yung pampunas nang uubo siya. Ang galing-galing nito na. Kinuha mo yung pampunas nang uubo ka na. Siyempre, ganyan ako eh. Bye-bye! Like, subscribe, and hit that little bell symbol. Bye! Bye!